Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 game bar not working problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Gaming, click Xbox Game Bar, turn on Xbox Game Bar. Send method is press Windows, Alt, and R keys. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Xbox in Search Apps. Click three dots in Xbox Game Bar, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists, click Reset. Fourth method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components. Click Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting, open Enable or disables Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. Check Enabled, click Apply, click OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.